Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best wedding lasso is probably one of the most symbolic elements in a wedding ceremony, especially in a religious context. It represents the unity and commitment between the couple, a beautiful visual representation of their bond. Today, we're diving into the world of wedding lassos, exploring what makes them special and how to choose the perfect one for your big day. Number 5. TINGKU Spanish Gold Wedding Unity Coin Set. This elegant set includes 13 symbolic coins. Each coin has a unique design representing love, prosperity, faith, and shared responsibility. They are perfect to hold during the ceremony. The set is presented in a beautifully colored, book-style gift box. The box enhances the presentation at the altar. It also provides safe storage or display afterward. Each coin is crafted from durable copper and plated in radiant 24K gold or polished silver. These coins shine with elegance. They combine fine craftsmanship with timeless symbolic meaning. More than just decorations, these coins are a meaningful tradition in Catholic and Christian ceremonies. They symbolize love, unity, trust, and lifelong commitment. It's an essential accessory for your sacred celebration. Whether for your own wedding or as a thoughtful gift for a bride, groom, or engaged couple, this set is a beautiful expression of blessings and prosperity. It's a timeless keepsake to cherish and pass down through generations. What we like? This set comes in a beautifully colored, book-style gift box, which enhances the presentation at the altar. It's more than just decorations, it's a meaningful tradition, symbolizing love and commitment. If you are looking for a timeless keepsake to cherish and pass down, you should consider this. What people say. Each one is unique and of great quality. Each comes individually protected in its clear cover and stored in a great book. The coins have a fantastic weight and do not appear as a cheap set. Number 4. TINGKU 13 Unity Coin Set. These beautiful coins represent the unity in a marriage. The set includes 13 coins, each symbolizing a different aspect of a couple's life together. It's a meaningful gift for any wedding. This set is perfect for the Aris de Boda ceremony. During the ceremony, the groom gives the coins to the bride as a symbol of his commitment to provide for her. This tradition is a beautiful way to start a new life together. This set is a perfect addition to a Catholic wedding. The coins are a tangible representation of the couple's shared faith and commitment. It's a beautiful way to incorporate tradition into the ceremony. The set comes with a tray plate, making it easy to present the coins during the ceremony. The tray adds an extra touch of elegance. It's a complete package for a memorable wedding. This coin set is a perfect gift for the happy couple. It's a symbol of love, commitment, and prosperity. It's a gift they will cherish for years to come. What we like? This set is specifically designed for the wedding ceremony, including a tray plate. It is a symbol of unity and shared responsibility. If you are planning a traditional Catholic wedding and want a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. The coins are the size of a US quarter with a 4-inch tray. They arrive in a beautiful sturdy, easy-to-open brown box. Inside the box is a beautiful leather-like envelope, used to keep the coins and tray looking beautiful for years. I wanted these to include in my wedding ceremony because they were inexpensive, looks beautiful and heavyweight like real gold. The size is perfect. Number 3. Ivory Gold Silver Embellishment Lazo Wedding Lasso. This beautiful lasso is perfect for a wedding ceremony. It features a stunning design with intertwining silver embellishments. Each lasso is carefully handmade. It includes wax blossom roses, ribbons, and silk, adding a touch of elegance. The loops are each 54 inches around. The rope is a comfortable 1-2-inch thick, making it easy to handle. The lasso comes in a clear gift box, ready for presentation. It's a wonderful gift for the happy couple. This traditional lazo is ideal for weddings and other celebrations. It's a beautiful way to symbolize the couple's bond. What we like? This lasso features a handmade design with wax blossom roses and silk ribbons. Each loop is perfectly sized, and it comes in a clear gift box. If you like a unique, handcrafted piece for your special day, you should consider this. What people say. Honestly, I've been on a budget for my wedding but at the same time trying not to make it look cheap. So I can tell you this is worth your money. It's nice and thick, very pretty color and doesn't look nor feel cheap. This wedding rope is beautiful and detailed, 100% better than what I expected. It's perfect for my friend's wedding. Very pretty, sturdy, nice gold tone ribbon. Number 2. Lassos Boutique White Wedding Lasso Rope. This beautiful lasso rope is a traditional element in many wedding ceremonies. It's a symbol of unity, meant to bind the couple together. Incorporate it into your special day for a meaningful touch. The lasso features delicate white satin flowers. Accents of pearls and rhinestones add a touch of elegance. It's a stunning piece that will complement any wedding style. Each loop of the lasso measures 52 inches around. The rope itself is a comfortable 1-2 inch thick. It's the perfect size for easy handling during the ceremony. Just like the unity candle, this lasso is rich in symbolism. It represents the couple's bond and their commitment to each other. This tradition adds a special meaning to the wedding. This beautiful lasso is made by hand in the United States. It's crafted with care and attention to detail. You can be sure that it is a quality piece. What we like. This lasso features white satin flowers with pearl and rhinestone accents. It's rich in symbolism, perfect for a meaningful wedding tradition. If you appreciate the symbolism of the lasso and want a classic design, you should consider this. What people say. Es igual al de la fotografía y de muy buena calidad. Es tal cual se ve en la foto. It was really nice. It is simple, but that's what I wanted. Number 1. Lassos Boutique Ivory Wedding Lasso Rope. This beautiful lasso features delicate ivory silk flowers. Each flower is adorned with sparkling rhinestone centers, adding a touch of elegance. It's a perfect detail for your special day. Each loop of this lasso measures 52 inches around. The rope itself is half an inch thick, making it easy to handle. It's designed to be a comfortable and beautiful part of your ceremony. The wedding lasso, like the unity candle, is steeped in tradition and symbolism. This item represents the couple's bond. It's a beautiful way to incorporate a meaningful tradition into your wedding. Incorporate this lasso into your wedding ceremony for a special touch. It's a way to honor tradition and create a lasting memory. This item will add a unique element to your celebration. This lasso is carefully made by hand in the United States. The craftsmanship ensures quality and attention to detail. You can be assured of its quality and beauty. What we like. This lasso features ivory silk flowers with sparkling rhinestone centers. It's a traditional Lazo cord, perfect for incorporating into your wedding ceremony. If you like a touch of elegance and tradition, you should consider this. What people say. It's so uniquely made, and the tone of color with its flowers make it very classy. The lasso was better and classic looking. Very nicely made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.